Hello guys, welcome back again to your favorite story breakdown, where I'm gonna breaking down your favorite film, video game, and also series. So, The Last of Us HBO episode 1 are done, so we jump to the second episode now. So yeah, the second episode. Okay, the second episode. Okay, The Last of Us HBO on second episode. So I have created a plot sequence according to the TV show. So it's scene by scene. Okay, in the second episode it starts in Jakarta. It starts in it starts in it starts in Jakarta, 2003 in Indonesia. So Jakarta 2003 in Indonesia. There is a Mrs. Ratna, Mrs. Ratna, a lecturer in University of Indonesia. Mrs. Ratna, to see to see to observe the cordyceps that infected the first human. Cordyceps on human. So Mrs. Ratna said that there is no cure. No cure. There is no cure. No medicine. And the and then what we have to do, ma'am? And she said that just bomb this city along with the people inside. So yes, and then after this scene, after this opening scene, and then we jump back to the present time in 2023. Okay, so this scene of Jakarta in 2003, it's inform us Jakarta is the first place of where cordyceps appear. First, the first human. Because the army said that what happened to her. She bite a few people. And a few people are locked in the bathroom. But because all of the people are turns into aggressive, so they have to kill her. They have to kill them, right? 14 people is missing, and then what we have to do, and Mrs. Ratna said that just bomb because no cure and no medicine. So and then back into 2023, where Ellie are asleep in some place. Now didn't know exactly where is what is this place. Okay, in this some place in this some place Ellie are watched by Joel and Tess. Joel and Tess. Okay, Ellie are sleeping, and then she woke up. She woke up watched by Joel and Tess. So the point of this scene. So the point of this scene is, the first is, make sure Ellie is not infected. Ellie isn't infected. Because in the previous episode, we saw that when Ellie are checked, it's red. It means that Ellie is infected, right? But actually, in this episode, in the first episode, Joel asking that, is she really immune, right? That dialogue means, and also the point of this scene, and then after that, also Tess said that Ellie is the best chance, the best chance, the best chance to get the best chance to get everything they need to get their stuff. Okay, to get their stuff, to get their stuff. And also I read I wrote this one, and at the same time I read my notes. And then Ellie said that you have to deliver me to west, to the Firefly West Firefly camp, West Firefly's base camp, West Firefly base camp. And mm, and in the base camp said that there's a doctor who going to create a cure, vaccine, and all of that kind of crap. And all of that kind of crap, I heard that a million times. Joel said that, right? And then after this dialogue, so they go. So this is the beginning. No, actually, when Ellie is wake up in some place watched by Joel and Tess. And then after that we back, not back actually, they're leaving. So they walk in this journey, there's a fall point in this journey, from that dialogue that I catch. The first is how government dealing with infected, government dealing with infected, dealing with infected. They bomb this place, effective in this place, but not in the other. This look like a fucked up moon, Ellie said then. And Joe and Tess reply. And then in the second is they find a road, the fastest road to the Firefly base camp. Find a road. Find a road. Find a road to base camp. Base camp. And then the third, it's asking about Ellie's past. How do you get bitten? Ellie's past. How do you get bitten? In the mall at QZ. Mall in the QZ. Alright. And then the fourth is Ellie also asking what kind of infected. I don't know if I'm say it correct, but what kind of infected? What kind of infected? Is that is so there's an infected that running so fast, and then when they jumping at her, and their head blow up, just like you saw in the season 2, in episode 2, right? Ellie said that. So this is the point of the scene. This is the point of the scene in when they are in the journey from that dialogue. And then from this we go to hotel. We go to the hotel. They go to the hotel. The point of this hotel scene, The point of this hotel scene is the first. Of course, they're still finding a road, finding a road. They still finding a road. The second, asking about where about Joel and Tess. Joel and Tess. Where are you from? Texas and Michigan, Detroit. Yeah, I know that. Joel and Tess. Where they coming from? Joel and Tess. And then also Ellie asking that how long the infected survive. How long infected survive? And Joel said that how long infected survive. Most of them are within a month or two, but some of them are also have been fooling around for 20 years, right? And then what about the guy last night? It means Ellie actually about asking about the security in the night, right? The security in the night. But when Joel wants to talk about that, Tess is coming, right? So they don't talk about that later. They don't talk about that. Okay, and then after that we jump in. Let's say that it's a hotel rooftop. Okay, hotel in the hotel rooftop. In the hotel rooftop. The hotel rooftop is the contribution of this scene is still the same. Still find a road. Still find a road. Still find a road. And then they still find this. They're still finding a road. Maybe all you can scratch this. Yeah, let's. No, actually they still finding a road. Finding a road or still on journey. Still on journey. And then okay, from rooftop they saw that a group of large infected, right? A group of infected. Okay, after a group of infected, where are they coming from? Where they coming from? Where are they coming from? Where are the infected coming from? Where are they coming from? And Joel said that the last time we were here, they're still in the building, but now they are in the outside. And also Tess said that how infected are connect to each other. Connect to each other. So the cordyceps are also grow under the ground. So if you step on that so if you step on that cordyceps, it will deliver you a message, and that cordyceps will deliver that message to another infected, and then they will come get you. Okay, and after that they go to the museum. The museum is just so the function of this museum scene is for tension, because Ellie saw a dead body, right? Ellie saw a dead body. How if actually he trying to survive and then he failed? That's why this museum is open, And then Joel said that, no, we're not quiet, but we are silent. It's in total silence that it means a good tension. And also, fight the clicker. This is the first scene. This is the scene that informed us a zombie named Clicker or infected named Clicker. Joel said that by sign language they can see but they can hear you, right? Every time a clicker show up, even just in the game, it's chilling down to my spine. Even though I'm a player or I'm just watching the gameplay, it makes me silence, always silence, total silence. And then, uh, in when they out in the museum, out in the museum, Joel's still asking about Ellie. Joel's still asking about Ellie. Is she really immune, right? And then, Joel still asking about Ellie, and also Tess said, Tess like, so, uh, Tess is trying to again to convince Joel or confirm him that Ellie is actually immune, and just accept that the good news that after we deliver her, we will get everything we need, right? Okay, that's the function of out in the museum scene. And then after that, in front of in front of base camp, in front of base camp. Okay, so in front of the base camp, Joel trying to Joel trying to Joel make sure, is this really the place that we are heading, or is this really our destination is, right? Make sure, is it really the place, or make sure that is fireflies really here. Okay, and then when they are inside the base camp, the fireflies are killed. Fireflies killed. Fireflies Fireflies killed. And also, uh, at the same time, Tess looking for a communication device. Looking for a communication device. Map or radio or anything else, right? They must be have it. And also, Tess is infected. Tess infected. Tess infected, and to tell Joe that Ellie is actually she is immune. Ellie is actually immune, and Tess said that get her to Bill and Frank. To Bill and Frank. Just please just say yes, Joel. Save what you can save, right? And then Joel and then leaving her behind. And they leaving her behind, and then the infected are swarmed the base camp, and then Tess was beaten by one of the infected, and then the building are explode because of the fire, and also there's a grenade. So yeah, mm, in this second episode, the first thing that I recognize from episode from second episode is the first thing that I realize is emotional closeness are walk even faster. faster emotional closeness. Emotional Faster emotional closeness. Faster emotional closeness. The first thing that I realize is the faster emotional closeness. And oh yeah, the second is not deliver Ellie to not deliver Ellie to Tommy, but Ellie to deliver Ellie to Bill and Frank. To Bill and Frank. So I found a couple point more. The first is the faster emotional closeness. The second is deliver Ellie to Bill and Frank, and the third is Ellie. No, not Ellie, but Tess. Tess killed. Tess killed by infected. Tess killed by infected, and also the introduction of clicker. This is the first. This is the fourth comparison between in the game and also in TV show. So the first is the faster emotional closeness. When in the museum scene, so when in museum scene, we saw that there is a clicker. That's the first. That's the first time of the clicker are show up. But back in the game, the clicker are show up when we are in almost fallen building, right? That's in the game. But in the TV show, they decided to move the clicker. They decided to move the clicker in the museum scene, and also the emotional closeness, right? As I said, no, no, I talk about clicker, right? Okay, the faster emotional closeness. But I'm gonna finish the clicker first. So the clicker are show up in the first museum scene because back in the game it show up in almost fallen building. Okay, so I have talk about the number four. So okay, the number one, the faster emotional closeness. The faster emotional closeness back when in the museum scene because Joel is already know the word of Ellie, how valuable she is, and then when Joel is about to approach her, like hey, come with me, just with sign language or even just with the look of his eyes, right? Hey, come to me, right? That's the first this is the first moment, the first trigger that triggered Joel and Ellie to emotional closeness. If in the game it's not happen. The first emotional closeness happen is when they are when they are living a Bill's place. That's in the game. But in the TV show, it's happened on the museum scene. Okay. The second is deliver Ellie to Bill and Frank because in the game, Tess said that you bring her to Tommy's, right? Bring her to Tommy's place. But in the game, deliver Ellie to Bill and Frank because by the dialogue said by Pedro Pascal said that Bill are also used to be a fireflies. And then the third one or the last, because I have mentioned about the clicker, the third is Tess killed by infected. Because in the game we know that Tess is killed by Tess killed by what is it? Tess killed by a federal or a government's people. So I think why is this Tess killed by infected is because it's like the Naughty Dog tell us that from in the game or even in the TV show, Tess is already made her choice. She insists with her choice. This is my last stop, and she will stop in this in the base camp. And if you wanted to know, if Tess is not dead in the first episode, the emotional closeness in the game is won't be happen, man. And so in the game. So that's why I said that in the game when Tess is dead, actually that's her secret role. When Tess is dead, it's the first gate to get Ellie and Joel to emotional closeness, and then after that, there is a Bill, and also there is a Bill, and also Henry and Sam, David, and that the characters are bring them to even close, and even close. Okay, so yeah, that's so this is the end of The Last of Us Part 2. No, this is the end of The Last of Us HBO episode 2 breakdown, because in the episode 3 are just so small that I can break down because it's just a little bit. So in the third episode and also the fourth, I'm going to combine them together. So thank you guys for watching my video from the first minute until this last minute, and also thank you if you already watched my episode 1. I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode. Thank you so much.